Ibn Muhayriz states, I and Abu Sirma both went to Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu. Abu Sirma asked him, O Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu, have you heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam say anything about coitus interruptus? He replied, yes. We fought the battle of Banu Mustaliq along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, and we took the Arab ladies captive. Many days elapsed since we left our women. We wished to liberate them in exchange of ransom, as well wishing to procure physical benefit from them by practicing coitus interruptus. We then thought that we intended to practice interruptus, whereas Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was amongst us. So why shouldn't we ask him its percept? So we asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if you do not do so, there will be no harm. For the soul about whose birth until the resurrection day Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has destined will definitely be born. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3529.